Imagine investing in Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Tesla, or Amazon directly from India. For years, this wasn't easy. Opening overseas brokerage accounts meant complicated paperwork, higher charges, and confusing regulations. Even international mutual funds in India faced investment restrictions. But today, there's a new gateway. It's called Gift City. And in this video, you'll learn how Indians can legally invest in global stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds through India's own international financial hub. Let's understand why Gift City matters. Suppose you're an Indian investor who wants exposure to the world's biggest companies. Until recently, you had only a few options. You could open a foreign brokerage account, invest through Indian international mutual funds, or use limited global investment platforms. But in 2022, several international mutual funds temporarily stopped accepting fresh investments after the industry hit overseas investment limits. That meant many investors who wanted global diversification simply couldn't invest through their preferred route. India needed a better solution, and the solution is Gift City. GIFT stands for Gujarat International Finance Tech City. It is India's first international financial services center, or IFSC. Think of it as a special financial zone built to compete with global financial hubs like Singapore, Dubai, and London, operate under the International Financial Services Centers Authority. Their objective is simple: bring international financial services to India instead of sending Indian investors overseas. So what exactly can you invest in? Through Gift City, investors can access a growing range of international investment products. These include global mutual funds, fund of funds, exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, index funds, tracking the S&P 500 or NASDAQ 100 dollar-denominated investment portfolios, and through eligible IFSC brokers, even international stocks. Instead of investing only in Indian companies, your portfolio can now participate in global industries like artificial intelligence, semiconductors, healthcare, electric vehicles, and cloud computing. Now here's one term every investor should know: the Liberalised Remittance Scheme, better known as LRS. Since your investment is ultimately going outside India, the Reserve Bank of India allows this through LRS. Under current rules, every resident Indian can remit up to $250,000 per financial year for permitted purposes, including overseas investments. So remember, Gift City doesn't replace LRS. It works through it. How do you actually start investing? Step 1. Choose an IFSCA regulated broker or fund manager operating in Gift City. Step 2. Complete your KYC. Step 3. Submit the required LRS declaration through your bank. Your money is converted into US dollars and transferred to your investment account. Finally, you can invest in global mutual funds, ETFs, index funds, or international stocks available through your chosen platform. The entire process is becoming increasingly digital and investor-friendly. Why are more investors exploring Gift City? First, diversification. Your wealth is no longer dependent on just one country's economy. Second, exposure to some of the world's most innovative companies. Third, access to industries that barely exist in Indian stock markets. And finally, dollar exposure. If the US dollar strengthens over time, it can potentially improve your returns when converted back into Indian rupees. But global investing isn't risk-free. International markets can also fall. Currency fluctuations may work against you. Tax rules may differ from domestic investments. And different products may require different minimum investment amounts. Most importantly, never invest simply because a company is popular. Invest because you understand the business.